Hi everybody, Joel Silverman here from Silverman Law Office, coming to you today with our frequently asked questions. This FAQ is regarding company formations in Montana. What are the different types of companies that you can form in Montana? Well, there's quite a few actually here. In Montana, we have a corporation, we have a limited liability company, we have a general partnership, we have a limited liability limited partnership. So there's a myriad of ways in which we can put together a business for you. FAQ number 2, how do I create my company? Well, first of all, like FAQ number 1, you have to decide what type of business you want. Then you go to the Secretary of State's website and you can either create the company yourself or you can use an attorney who is experienced in this area of the law, like Silverman Law Office, to help set that up for you. FAQ number 3, what other documents do I need to support my company? Well, depending on the type of company you create, you may either need an operating agreement or bylaws, which if you think of those as the ground rules for how your company is managed and how the shareholders or owners treat each other and what rights they have inside the company. You're also going to want minutes, which designate who has what authority to act on behalf of the company. FAQ number 4, what legal issues should a business owner be aware of? Well, this is a really broad question, and it depends because it depends on the type of business you're creating. Number 1, we have to make sure that you've created the right type of business or company to protect your personal assets and the company's assets. Number 2, we need to make sure that the structure's right so that management and operation can be done adequately to make your business function. Number 3, we have to make sure that all the members of the company or shareholders all know what their rights and obligations are underneath the operating agreement or bylaws of that company. The bylaws and operating agreement are really just the ground rules amongst all the owners. And then we need to make sure people have the right authority to act on behalf of the business. So as you can see, there's a myriad of issues in which an owner or an operator of a business can face in making their company successful. Some of them are legal, some are not. FAQ number 5, can I handle forming my company on my own or should I seek the advice of a competent attorney? My advice is always seek the advice of a competent attorney. When we see problems, more often than not, it's because they didn't seek the advice of a competent attorney in this field. An attorney in the business field deals with this stuff on a daily basis. They see all the legal and even the non-legal issues and the disputes that arise in companies. If you want to make sure everything's protected and everything's going to go as smooth as possible, then please seek out the advice of a competent attorney. Thank you for joining us today, everybody. If you have any further questions or if any of these FAQs sparked a little more interest for you, don't hesitate to give our office a call and book a consultation with any one of our fantastic attorneys. Thank you and have a great day.